Hi guys, it's Sweety Pie and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, it's Sweety Pie and welcome back to my channel. It's Sweety Pie and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, it's Sweety Pie, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited. This looks great. Hi guys, it's Sweety Pie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little bit of celebrating, but I also have a little bit of real talk. Today, a couple weeks ago, I reached 500 subscribers, and that is so okay. In my world, it's awesome. In YouTube world, it's like absolutely nothing, but in my world, I love you guys so much, and I'm so happy and excited that, you know, a milestone that I thought would probably never happen has happened. And yeah, so I want to talk to you guys. I want to get a little real with you guys and tell you, you know, why my YouTube channel has been like one video a week for a while. Yeah, and also follow me on Instagram because I'm definitely on there a heck of a lot more than I am YouTube. But I wanted to do just like a quick video about, you know, reaching 500 followers. I do want to do a giveaway, and I do have some stuff for a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, guys, first let's get into why I haven't been uploading as much. So about 6 months ago, I think, I started to get sciatic pain, like a lot of it. Now, I can't contribute just the sciatica to the way I've been feeling lately. There are a few other things that are like kind of going on in the process right now that are definitely probably contributing to my mind not being as clear as I would love it to be. So anyway, so about 6 months ago I got sciatica, and like right now it is killing me. It is killing me. And let's try crossing the other leg. Oh, see, that's better. All right, thank goodness. So yeah, a bit ago, about 6 months ago, I got a huge bout of sciatica. And not only that, but I've also in probably the past year gained about 20 pounds, which obviously, you know, we all have some issues in our lives, and no one's perfect. And as much as I love myself, you know, it's probably not healthy, and I don't know if the two correlate or not, but before all of this happened and whatnot, I, uploaded a lot more, and I loved what I was uploading a lot more. Now, the bad thing, or I don't know, the good thing about this is that my passion for cosmetics and beauty products has not changed at all. I just, for some reason, have not had a lot of motivation, especially for editing. I'm sitting here, and today I am literally, after this video, going to film a 10 palette review, palettes that need to be talked about, essentially, because I've still been buying makeup, and I've still been loving makeup. It's so fast-paced. It's so fast-paced, and I feel like before I've even had a chance to try something, it's already old news. It's the same thing on my Instagram. I do swatches, and I love to do flat lays. Go check out my Instagram if you haven't already. And I just feel like by the time I get the photos up on my Instagram, I'm like, is this even relevant anymore? I don't know. It's just a weird thing. So obviously all of these things are kind of contributing to my lack of uploading. And I love I love the excuses, right? Everybody's got excuses. I totally get that, and I understand how funny that is. But yeah, you know, that's not making it any better. But I am making a choice that I really want to push away all of this like bad energy. I want to push away all of this bull crap and, you know, personal drama that one day hopefully I can maybe talk about. Some of it is a little bit well, not really health concern, but like, you know, like life choice concerning, and a little bit of, you know, like, you know, partner stuff. Like, it's just, life is a madhouse, and I think that sometimes like people like me just like we lose ourselves real quickly, and we have to pull ourselves out of that like mindset. But anyway, holy jeez, I have no idea how this video is going to come off, because I feel like I've been rambling, but I just wanted to let you guys in on like a little bit of what's like going on in my head right now, and why I just have been so weird lately. Like, I just don't have the motivation to film, and I really want to, because I love actually being able to talk and interact with you guys. It's amazing the types of like-minded people you will find out there, and because I'm still like a little baby in the world of YouTube, I don't get much hate, and it hasn't like really affected me quite yet. So like, I feel like I'm being so blessed with, you know, all of these opportunities to grow, and I need to start taking some of them. So anyway, long story short, I am essentially just apologizing for not being here and, you know, not uploading as much. And I really want to know like what you guys want to see. If there is anything, make sure you comment down below. Oh, giveaway. I am planning a 500 subscriber giveaway. I'm, you know, just gathering up a few more items for it. So stay tuned for that. That is coming. It will, you know, it'll probably be in the next 2 weeks, hopefully. Oh my gosh, I always make promises. I'm going to make sure it is in the next 2 weeks up on my channel. And yeah, I think that's it. I think that's pretty much everything. I'm sure I will think of something that I forgot. Thank you guys so much. Like, so much. This is great. I am so excited that, you know, something good is coming out of all of this, because I don't know, I feel like there's so much stigma. I'm weighed down with a little bit of like stigma. And yeah, next, maybe it's because my birthday is coming up. Who knows? Either way, guys, I love you guys so, so, so much, and I hope you guys have a really wonderful day, night, evening, whatever. You guys are amazing. 500 strong. I really, you know, all you can do is go up, right? All right, guys, I love you guys so, so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever. I already said that. Yeah. Bye.